Lost on campus fronts here on many fronts before the birth of Washington. This was already entrenched here. This had already divided Native Americans from their education, from their nature, from themselves, to divided, tactically denatured landscapes, force tactically denatured value nature systems. Of course, this is the common enemy. To us then, as he is now with psychology, is pseudo-ratiocination, evidence sequence shifting cover-up nature, sharing lies with many, sharing methodologies of hiding premises, hiding lies, hiding delusions with American standards, with modern nations. We're lost to this before international science. And to stay, so we blame each other. Criminal terror database relationships, terror breaching roles as the only ones that claim patriotic. It is not even what George Washington wants from us. To explain this, what is entrenched here, which him in French general